Hey everybody, my name is Mohit and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is challenge number 25 of Solving SQL Challenges playlist, and in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting Tiger Analytics interview question. So without wasting any further time, let us quickly jump on understanding the problem statement and implementing the same using SQL query. So as per the problem statement, we are given this data in which we can see there are total 5 teams, and using this data we have to generate an output something like this. So what is there in this output? So basically each team will play with its opponent, and same we have to show in this output table, keeping in mind that there should not be any duplicate combination. So by duplicate combination what I mean is, so if we are creating a combination team 1 versus team 2, there should not be any combination of team 2 versus team 1. Okay, so I hope you must have got some idea what exactly we have to achieve. So let us implement the same logic using SQL query. So let me switch to SSMS. Okay, DDL and DML script of required data was already given. So using that script I have already created table, and I'll also share those scripts so you can find it in description box. Okay, so let me select that table. So table name is teams. Now we have to generate all the possible matches within these teams. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will use the concept of self join, which means I'll be using same table for joining. Okay, so let me consider this table as T1 and we'll do inner join, and we'll use same table giving different alias name. On which column? On this column. So what I will write, T1.team name equals T2.team name. There's a catch in this line, and this is very important here in order to achieve output. So here in place of equal to, what we will do, we will perform join where T1.team name smaller than T2.team name. Okay, so let me run this. So these two columns what you are observing coming from T1, and these two columns what you are observing coming from T2 table. Okay, we can just copy these two columns, and I can write, I'll name this column as team, and we'll name this second column as opponent. Okay, now if I run this, see how beautifully it has created match among each team, right? So how it was possible? Using this condition. Now let's say if you are putting equal to sign, that means you are allowing same team in team and opponent column. So if I run this one, you can observe MI and MI, CSK, CSK. Similarly, you can see all the 5 teams are playing with themselves. So it is also not a valid scenario, right? So that's why what we will do, we will not consider this equal to sign. And this is the exact output that we wanted. And you can also verify CSK, MI. This combination we have got, you will not see any combination with MI and CSK. So if you see MI, here is RCB. If you see MI, here is another team but not CSK. So that condition where duplicates were not allowed, we have satisfied it. Okay, and this is the exact requirement as per the interview question. You can see this is the same output what we have got, and we have used this same query in order to achieve that output. And of course, see, there are multiple ways to approach a problem. So if you are trying with a different approach, it's well and good, and you can also share it. Okay,